I know. Yeah. Hey girlie, you got it, you know that I want it. As soon as you walk through, I knew that you'll be perfect for me. Perfection, that's what you blessed with. Ain't no other girl I'm tryna get next to. Ooh, cause I mess with the way you look through them eyes, your pretty face and them thighs. I'm so intrigued by your mind, and not to mention your style, baby. I'm falling. I don't think I'ma get back up. I can be your dirt, you can be my day.
Okay, so first things first, I parted from ear to ear, and then with that section, I sectioned it into 3 pieces, as you can see here. And then for my next row, I did the same thing. I parted first horizontally from temple to temple, and then I put a part right on top of that middle braid from the row before it, and then I put a part in the middle of the side. So it's kind of like bricklayering, and I'll get more into detail about it later on. So this is what I'm using to moisturize my section. And after I moisturize it, I'm going to take my holding product of choice, which is going to be this Shine and Jam Extra Hold. And so I just put that all around the base of the braid. And then you can brush it or comb it in if you want. I think I did comb it or just flatten it out with my fingers. So the hair that I'm using will be linked down below, and you just want to make sure you pull the end so that it'll stay together when you're done braiding. Then you section your hair into 1/3 and 2/3, and you just loop it around each other, and as you can see, now you have your 3 braiding pieces. So now I'm just going to start to braid, and I think it's much easier for you to just look and see what I'm doing because I'm so bad at explaining it. But essentially you're putting 1/3 of your hair to 1/3 of the braiding hair. So your hair is in 3 pieces, the braiding hair is in 3 pieces, and you put them all together. I hope that makes sense. If not, I'm going to show you again here on the next braid as well. And if you don't get it at first, just keep trying because you won't be perfect right away, but with practice, you will eventually get it. And so now I'm just going to braid all the way down to the end. And so as you see, I'm going to do the same thing with the next section. I already did my moisturizer and my holding product, so I'm just going to start to braid. And I used 5 packs. And I did about 5 braids per pack. I have 24 braids total, as you'll see later. And I did give or take 5 braids. So I had a little bit of hair left over from those packs. 5 packs, 5 braids per pack. And some people came at me last time talking about those braids are too thin, they're too skinny, yada yada yada. Girl, I don't want no heavy braids on my head or no big loop on the top. But anyway, so as you can see, this is what I showed you guys already, the 3 braids in the back. And then the next row is 6 braids. And all you're doing is basically bricklayering. So wherever there is a braid in the row before, you put a part. So basically the braids from the row above will fill in the parts from below. Y'all, I know it's late right now. Forgive me, but you can see here what I'm doing, and I just followed that same technique, so I don't have not one space in my head or not one part where a braid doesn't cover it up or fill in between. Okay, I hope that makes sense. And yeah, you guys, that's basically it. This took me like 3 hours, girl. Super easy and cute.
Now I'ma hold you down now. Yeah, you know that I always got you. I want you, girl, like cruising.
Alright you guys, so that's going to conclude this video. I hope that you enjoyed. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. I would love you forever. And if you're not already subscribed and you would like to subscribe, be sure to hit that red subscribe button down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I love you, and I'll see you in the next one.
Yeah, you're perfect for me. Hey. It's my baby and she perfect for me.